So it begins. The trip to China. Do you want to know what the true meaning of comfort is?
My mama brought me in the streets, before I knew it, I was climbing on my feet, uprising in the pack northwest. Get a little test and taste of what's the rest. Best know that this boy made his way around the coast. From a young age he knew a hot from a pot roast. But it's been 6 years since he found his way back to the heritage that inks his skin from crack to crack. 不是中文，你信了什么？我连什么样子都不认识我呢。I may not seem it, but my blood mean it. The scene across the sea, we gonna see another me, dig?
What is up, everybody? How's it going? It's your boy J-Dubs. I'm just kidding, that's not how I talk in real life, only sometimes for the vlog. Alright, enough dilly-dallying. I need to tell you all something very important and very, very cool. I am in Beijing, China. Check it out! Woo! Whoa, we're staying at a hotel that's in the central city, and this is not... Well, actually, I guess you can't really tell where it is based on what I'm showing you. But I promise you, we're in China because, look, there's a teapot in my hotel room. It's so cute. Wow.
My slippers say Beijing on them.
My hotel TV is a Samsung. Actually, that's a Korean brand. And perhaps the biggest tell of all that I am in China. There are these fish-shaped things on the wall. I'm not entirely sure what these are actually. Anyway, while I'm here in China, it's gonna be a little hard for us to film Feast of Fiction, but that doesn't mean that we can't keep bringing videos to you all. And I'm someone that travels pretty frequently for work, and Ashley is traveling all the time too, so we thought it'd be really fun to take you inside the food adventures around the world when we get a chance, so that you can get a little taste of the culture out here while sitting in the comfort of your own room. Get ready, we have a week of Feast of Fiction meets China vlogs. There's so much good food out here. In fact, did you know that one of the very first videos I ever posted was literally called Chinese Food and was filmed in this city?
And after all these years and trips, there's one thing that I know. What's that? You won't find answers in a shop or beneath old mounds of dough. He's a communist. I'm lucky to say most days of my life my mama cooked for me. Oh, yeah. Something better than this ginormous Yao Ming statue, cause that ain't what you need. Chinese food builds a body and soul. Forget your other worries, you can leave them all at home. Chinese food, it's out of this world. Forget that TV dinner, just go. After many years and trips, there's one thing that I know. What's that? You won't find love or happiness at your local McDonald's. I'm lucky to say most days of my life my mama cooked for me. Something better than my face in the Apple store, cause that ain't what you need. Chinese food builds a body and soul. Forget your other worries, you can leave them all at home. Chinese food, it's out of this world. Forget that TV dinner, just go. Just go.
So obviously I have a very, very deep connection to China. I've been here a ton of times. Being able to experience other cultures is really the essence of what makes food great to me. At this point in the vlog, I expect there to be a cut to a transition and montage of life around Beijing, some travel stuff before we arrive at our next destination. So, let's go. Start the morning off right. We're drinking some authentic Chinese coffee.
Same order, different country.
Same order, different country. And it tastes pretty much the same, right? I can't really taste much of a difference. Cold brew?
I'll close my eyes, I'm in America.
China has absurd numbers of Starbucks. When it first opened in the country, it was like a national phenomenon. And it was just like the US, where you would look and you would see 1 Starbucks, 2 Starbucks, 3 Starbucks, 4 Starbucks, all within the same city block. So China likes to follow along in the US trends and then sort of add their own spin to it.
And freaking make it better.
Yeah. And way faster. This took 2 seconds and they got me a full latte. I mean, I had a pretty good service. Look who's here in China. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Why are you guys in Shanghai?
To see you.
What? That's not true.
Yes, it is true.
What?
Well, you come here and we come here with you.
No, you guys had this trip booked
No,
already.
we really, I'm not
Yeah,
kidding.
yeah. We
Wait,
made the
what?
trip to Shanghai just because Jimmy.
Yeah, really.
Because we.
I did not know this.
You told me this was necessary.
No. Hold on. When you guys first said you were coming to China, I thought it was because you guys were going to like Thailand and stuff, right?
Yeah,
We were
and then
going
we made a trip to Shanghai.
Oh. Well, thank you so much for joining me in Shanghai. By the way, the fruit here is incredible. I heard it's because they put sugar in it. Is that true?
No,
I heard they inject sugar into the fruit when it's growing.
that's no.
You just said it was true! There's a big live event happening at the water cube when the Olympic venue's built. Look at this thing. Look at the size of these screens, man. Yeah, there's a lot of people just sitting here watching the setup, I guess. I mean, this is just absurd how big those screens are. Not a single dead pixel. Hard hat life. I don't know. They weren't kidding around when they said bird's nest. Yes. This is it, man. This Mickey looks like he's been having a good day, you know what I mean? Not bad. What? That was the single coolest ride I've ever taken in my life.